welcome to my YouTube channel. I normally don't make these kind of videos, but I felt like I should make this. I'm an aspiring painter. I just recently started getting into traditional art as somebody who does a lot of digital, and I had a lot of questions about painting, canvases, and easels. So I needed something very basic, something that could hold my canvases, maybe something not too big, but something that would be versatile in that sense. So I went on Amazon and I looked and I seen that there was this desk easel. It is wooden and it's pretty good in size. It's about 14 inches in width, and I think it's about 13 in height. I'm not too sure. It'll say somewhere on here, but yeah. So this is what the box looks like. It didn't come in any kind of other special packaging. There was no extra padding. It was just pretty much that in this box. So this is what it looks like. The brand is Marquis. I did pay $16 for this on Amazon. I'm sure you can get it cheaper. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip my camera around and I'm gonna show you the actual desk easel. Alright, so just to kind of showcase the desk easel itself, this is what it looks like. Obviously I've been using it, so there is some paint, which is fine. It doesn't bother me or anything. This flap right here is what will keep it propped up, and you do have 5 levels. So people who do watercolor, I know is probably a concern, because you obviously don't want the water to drip down while you're working. It folds out like this, but the best thing about it is that you can, like so. Then you also do have a drawer. Now my box shows a wooden palette. I do have that wooden palette. I don't currently have it in here, but I do have it. It does come with a nice palette. So it does come with a palette. This is what the palette looks like. I actually really like it. It's very smooth. If you get the paint while it's wet, you can smear it off. Obviously it'll stain the wood, but not really much of an issue, really. So, yep, so this is it, and pretty durable. It does fit a sketch pad, canvas pad that I use that is about 14 to 17 in width and height, as you can see here. This is my sketch pad. This is what it looks like. I love it, and yeah, so alright, well, that was pretty much my showcase of the desk easel. If you do like it, there's the link in the description, and if you have any questions, I guess you can ask me, or you could just leave it directly on the site. So yeah, happy painting and enjoy. Thanks for watching.